Yes. Now, based on our counting that we were doing, sorry, let's do this. Yeah. So I'm going to show you one of the failing instance of this chart of this strategy. But that failing does not totally fail, like literally failing, because it kind of delays sometimes. So, for instance, we'll see here we opened at 2100, 2100, not 2100, 2100. That was Asia session. So, after opening, this marked the high over here, the high. The market traded in a kind sort of consolidation, but down trade. Then formed a low here. Then now we purged, we took the low, traded higher, back to the fair value gap, consolidated. London session is here. Market traded low again. After that, big consolidations, down and up, down and up. Then from here we have marked. You see these brown extensions to the right. That's now the beginning of another macro or the morning kill zone prior to the 9 o'clock open or 9:30. Yeah, so from 9 all the way to 10, it should represent itself a good and clean entries for the market. So you see here we have a failed instance. It failed from here. From here, I want to see it expand higher, then come and take the buy sell liquidity, but it failed. Instead, it sent the price lower. Then from here, 21 to 5. 5 is then somewhere here, where you see the beginning of this line here. That's now where this ended. It ended just that expansion. The whole trade idea just stopped from this point. And from here now we started another chapter of different markets. That is the New York AM session. So this was marking the end of London session. Yeah. Then we opened the New York session. Until New York session, now I started hunting for the price to go higher because after 5 a.m. opens, this marked the low, higher, traded lower. Here we have a consolidation, small consolidation. Then later, higher, lower. Here we have a fair value gap in here. Just the first fair value gap from where we have a smaller block. There could be a good entry point, and your target could be this failed instance above here. Then that's what we did here. Yeah. And also here is a place for pyramiding. Then again here, first pyramid. After taking this range, the AM range, do you remember why ICT says that you should mark from 7 o'clock all the way to 9 o'clock? Have you ever questioned yourself that question? It ranges within this region. From 5 to 9, you have everything you need in there. From 21 to 1, you have everything you need in there to give you expansion for the either London session. And if London session delays and sends the price in manipulation, because the expansion should be higher. After this one, this is manipulation. Everything we are trading here is manipulation. Again, here we opened, traded higher, lower for manipulation. So this below this, see this line, the first, this one here, everything below it is a manipulation. So that's where you should anticipate to get a good trade entry, targeting the high, the failed swing high. Yeah. Then that's how it went. See here, just the same trade, the failed instance. So from here, failing, manipulation, uniform consolidation, expansion, triggering what? This high. Yeah, so these are different trade idea. So we have 5 o'clock here and here. So from here, where's the lowest low prior to the 9 o'clock open? From 5 to 9, we have the highest, the lowest low. Where's the highest high prior to the open? Is here. Because from here, market traded lower, close this candlestick, then this one opens, kicking the price higher. Then from where now, from after taking the high, which is this here, now we start hunting for the price to go lower to take this. This stuff happens every single day. If you are going to miss it in London session, you won't miss it in New York session. You just do your own research and see. And this is not complicating anything to do with macro, to do with more of charting and everything. No, it's the amount of waiting and watching the price how it's going to act or behave in the market. A different trend too. So this is a 21 high. From here we have this line. This is the highest high all the way to 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock is here. So from here, if we're going to put a straight line here, yeah. So and the lowest low is here because 1 o'clock is here. So this is the manipulation. So from here, market traded higher, causing a market surge shift. Here it's 2 o'clock. The London session kickstarts. That you can be a buyer there. Targeting what? Here. Look how we just hit that area, then after that market reversed. Trading lower, higher, then big consolidation follows. Yeah. Very, very powerful. Very powerful. And again, oh, okay, let's go to the next. Just the same trade. Yeah, different trade again. This is 5 o'clock. It opened here in this candlestick and actually it marks the lowest low, this and this smooth lows. And after that, where do we have 9? 5 to 9. 9 is here, straight line there. So this is the highest high. So I'm expecting the price that it will take either high and come take low, or it will take low and go and take high. So from here, after taking the low, it's 10 o'clock. So you see here, this high, the high of this candlestick, we traded above it and there's a fair value gap here. So in this candlestick, that is a buy entry point. Stop loss below here, target here, and it went well. Yeah, the same trade. Another different trade, 21. From opening of it here, we have the highest high. The lowest low came here prior to the opening of the 1 o'clock. You just check the highest high and the lowest low in that range. Then after that, this is 1 o'clock. The markets to the lower in a consolidation higher. Then here we have a good entry point in lower time frame, 1 minute, 3 minutes chart. Then market traded higher. But before that, we see this candlestick high, this low. From here, market traded higher, taking this high because we have an expansion higher there, lower, high, then lower. Then we traded above it. Then here we have a small, very small fair value gap. That could be the entry. Then market expanded higher. but in lower time frame you can see it very very well. Then after that, lower, just market starting playing ping pong. So this is the very very powerful strategy, bro. You don't need to overcomplicate things. Just be simple. Simple is makes money. Another different trade. So this high, that's 21 to 1. So we have this, see this candlestick here marks the lowest low, and this marked actually where it opened here. This candlestick where it opens marks the highest high. So from here, are we heading to markets did what? Traded higher. Causing a market short shift. We are in 2 o'clock. London session kick starts at 2. So from here, I can be a buyer. From here, my stop loss below here, my target here. Yes, and after we open another candlestick, the next candlestick of our chart at 5 o'clock, my first anticipation is market to hunt here because it failed to be taken during what London session. Yeah, from 2 o'clock all the way to 5. It failed to be taken. Yeah, so from 5, market also supported the higher prices. Yeah, and also in here we had news. The market was kind of aggressive. Yeah, no, no, no. So next, okay. So this was June 9th on Monday. So here we have 5 o'clock here and here. So where's the highest high is in here. Where's the lowest low is in here. Yeah. So after that, what's next? We are going to hunt for what? For the price. After violating one side. Now to go to the next side. Yeah. So 5 o'clock to 9, now to 10. Yeah. So from here, market was violated this high here. Then after that, market punched higher and lower. So in this is 5 minutes chart. In 15 minutes chart, you could see a good retracement here. Here in a fair value gap. Then after that, you could be your execution there, targeting this high. You see how the market keeps on playing ping pong again here. They played there down, down, down. Then after dealing with this, they traded lower. But now here we have two markets playing on, because we have this market here and here, which is there for the previous day, because from here is date 8th. This was day 7, 6th, I mean Friday. So this is on Monday. So on Monday, 21 is here. From there, market opened. What's wrong? Okay, that's good. Yeah. So from here, market opened, traded higher. This was the highest high, lowest low prior to the closing of the 4 hour candlestick. Then after that, I want to see it violating any of their side. But what is their first area to be violated? This high. This high and this high. Why this high? Because here we not violate on last trade setup, that was on Friday. We just traded lower here. Then market punched higher. But here we have not yet completed. So what am I going to do? I'm going to wait this area to be purged, as you can see here. After even purging here, it did not give us a good entry point to sell because it had another business pair up. So here rose that the market delayed to push lower on Monday London session because it did not complete to trade higher, taking high of the last Friday. It had to trade there first before completing delivery downwards. Yeah. So after that, now here, yeah, from here, sorry, from here, I'm now going to start hunting for the price lower. Yeah. And my best moment here when I'm going to anticipate to enter this trade will be at 7 o'clock because now we are past 5. Yeah, here we have okay, it was 5 o'clock. Sorry. So I don't have a mouse with me, so it's getting hectic. But anyway, I'm gonna manage. So 5 is in here. So from 5 all the way to 9 is another what macro going on. Is another delivery. But this one now came early because this one was delayed. This delivery upward was delayed, but this one was kind of hastened. It came early. So from 7 o'clock, I'm going to hunt for the price lower, and it will be somewhere here because I like 7. You know, it's not only don't just look the numbers or there's the time too, but also look the codes. Very very significant. You know the code 3, what it means. Yeah. So here we have two trades in one. We have this high, this low, this high, this low. Delivery upward, and for this one, this low could be delivered later here after delivering these two, this high and this high. Here we have two highs, and the market flows there like a magnet. That's the trade I was talking about. 7 o'clock, all the way down. Yeah, same trade, different trade. Yeah. So 2100. Don't know why I say 2100, but to say okay. Anyway, it is what it is. 21 o'clock, 21 hours. So from there to here, it opens here. This way it opens to the highest high, the lowest low prior to this time frame here. Market pulse higher little, but it played. It did not take any side. But at 3 o'clock, what happened? It traded there. Then from 3 o'clock, market traded higher, lower to the first fair value gap from upside after violating this side. But I want it to be more clean. Higher, lower, entry point, stop loss, target. That was before opening of this o'clock. I cannot take the trade within this region from this after past 5. No, because I have to take for from 5. I have to wait till 9. After 9, then I have to take a trade from there, but not within from 5. Not from 5 to 9. Not in this in between. No, but this happened before 5, which means it makes it valid for me. Yeah. Another different trade. So 2100 is here. High, low, consolidation, low. So from 2100 here, allow me to call it 2100 anyway. From 2100 that one. So to 5 to 1. will not